Hi friends, welcome to PlantiFy. Today I am standing in Pinky and Sanjeev's balcony, who are my next door neighbors, and we are going to transform their balcony to a balcony garden. While I'll take you through this transformation journey, I will share few tips on choosing right plants and plant arrangements. So stay tuned till the end to get the full picture of the transformation. They have got a nice balcony and they already have a great sitting arrangement. The only problem is that the balcony is north facing and so doesn't get much direct sunlight. So we need to choose the plants judiciously and we need to understand Pinky and Sanjeev's preferences. Let us understand the requirement from them.
We are quite new in gardening, and as we both are working, so we want to keep this garden very simple, and we want to keep the plants which are easy to maintain.
We don't want too many plants to clutter the balcony space. We want to keep our sitting area intact. We use it a lot morning tea or relaxing in the evening. So we want to keep this sitting area as it is.
The plan is to keep some snake plants in this area and some hanging pots in this wall. This is the only area in this north-facing balcony where some direct sunlight comes for an hour or so. So we are planning to utilize this area to keep some season flowers. After all this planning, now it's time for the action. First thing first we went to buy some pots or planters and ordered the wall-hanging planters online. There was a huge collection of ceramic planters and we were really overwhelmed and we took hours to decide on what to take and what not to. There were planters of every size and shape and colors. Aren't they beautiful? Finally, we completed our shopping and loaded the car with the pots. We also received the wall hanging planters. Next, we went for plant shopping. We were really excited to visit this wonderful nursery. We kept two things in mind while choosing the plants. Number one, the plants should be shade loving, because our north-facing balcony will not get much sunlight. And number two, the plant should be easy to maintain. After plant shopping, it's time for potting the plants. We took some help for this task because transplanting more than 15 plants at a go was a huge task. Now it's time for placing the plants in their right places. We installed the wall frame in this wall and hanged the planters with some season flowers. We planted 2 verbenas in each of these planters. We kept turtle vine in this hanging planter. For the hanging planters on the opposite wall, we chose spider plants and fern and kept the snake plants as we planned. On the floor, we made a cluster of 3 planters of 3 sizes. One tall planter with Phylodendrone to add height. A beautiful Coleus in the medium size pot to add volume. And syngoniums in a small pots to bridge the gap. Together they looked stunning. Their leaf colors complemented each other. In the corner beside the sofa, we kept one heart-leafed philodendron to climb up along the window grill. Hope this plant will grow quickly. And now the final look. Let me know in the comment section below how do you like it and which part of the balcony you like the most. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. We also added one dwarf rubber plant
for the tabletop and some more season flowers. And finally, it is very satisfying to see the happy family enjoying their balcony garden. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next week with another video. Till then, bye bye.